Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Lorre Wilson, and together we will discover, connect, and bring light to our tri-state communities in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky in selling Appalachia. It's not just the home you live in, it's the community. And let's see what Huntington looks like today. Maintaining up-to-date property records and ensuring that assessments reflect current market conditions is a necessity in real estate and for the residents of Cabell County. Today, we meet Irv Johnson. He's our Cabell County assessor, and he's a very brave Bridge Day jumper. So the cost of living here, I think, is amazing for a lot of people that especially move here from out of state.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Wouldn't you agree?
Oh yeah. You know, if you own a home in West Virginia, you get what's called Class 2, which is the lowest of the tax rates.
Right. Right.
And then Class 4 would be if you're not on the deed and those types of things. But getting back to what you said, you know, I agree. West Virginia has some of the lowest values on our houses.
You have a really interesting tie to Fayetteville and Bridge Day because your grandmother is from the area.
Yes.
Right?
My grandmother had a house, and my grandmother's family was all coal miners on New River. So when I was growing up, she had a house in Lookout, which is right across the gorge.
Right.
So we watched them build the bridge, and that was a fascinating thing for my family. Bridge Day's been a special thing for me and my family, which is, and Fayetteville's just booming now with, you know, with new things and tourism, and that goes back to good things are happening in West Virginia.
Right.
We're getting tourists, we're getting a lot of national attention of, you know, what the cost of living is here, you know. So
there's Class 6 where people can whitewater raft down the river, but you chose to jump off a bridge.
Correct, at Bridge Day. It's the third Saturday, and they've been doing this since the late 70s. It's called Bridge Day. Base jumpers come from all over the United States and a little bit from the world. There's usually some people from other countries that come. Third Saturday, pay $25 or $30 and jump off the bridge. So it's an amazing event. There's just nothing like it. It's the biggest one-day festival in West Virginia and has been for decades.
Right.
So it's a cool thing to see. I always tell people, if you've not been to Bridge Day, you need to go to Bridge Day. Nothing says West Virginia like Bridge Day.
Absolutely.
You know, it's the bridge, it's the most iconic thing photographed in West Virginia. It's the leaves, it's the people, and like you said, the community. People, you're talking about 40,000 people on the bridge, you know, eating a hot dog and a corn dog, just having a good time, watching people jump, and it's the danger, and all those things just rolled into one for a day. You need to go to Bridge Day.
Right. Well, thank you again for meeting with me today and giving us some insight on Bridge Day, which I love about West Virginia, and talking about our county and the things that are the best things about where we live. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you. It was enjoyable. So thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
Here's something few realize about Appalachia. The cost of living is surprisingly low. So what's on the market under $350,000? Located about 10 minutes outside of Huntington, sitting on just over 1.5 acres. With a little buffer there between you and Mount Union Road, you will feel some seclusion and privacy. If a brick ranch home is in your checklist, this will check that box. The 2 full bathrooms have been totally renovated and have heated floors. And would you look at that shower? Your new eat-in kitchen had a beautiful facelift with new cabinetry and a quartz countertop. Just steps away from the kitchen is a large utility laundry room and, of course, the 2-car garage. The partially finished basement focal point is the fireplace. And utilize the additional room as a guest bedroom, an office, or even a workout space. 3784 Mount Union Road is your next home in Huntington, West Virginia. Bringing you the best of our tri-state in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Lorre Wilson. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time right here, sharing the American dream in selling Appalachia.